3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Whoa! Give it one more try.
Oh, I can knock the big down. I know I can knock the whole thing down. I can.
Oh, swing, not the box.
Oh, that was close. He's like, ha 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 ha.
No points for Anthony.
I just got 1 point because I just got one side.
Anthony, you remember who got this for you?
Your girl.
My sister and her husband. They're watching this right now. You want to tell them anything?
Nothing? No.
You want to tell them thank you?
No.
No?
I know how the easy way to knock this down. Or not. There.
Word.
Now let's eat.
Okay. Well, I'll say thank you for Anthony because he doesn't want to say thank you. Thank you! Anthony.